dear students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Most of the concepts from this lesson we have already learned. So let us quickly revise. The first concept is constant. We already have learned in chapter number 2. So before learning this lesson, I request all of you to go through the videos of chapter number 2. So what are constants? Constants are the numerical values or the values which have a fixed numerical value. And what are variables? Variables are opposite of constants. That means the values or the terms, or you can say some numbers which do not have a fixed numerical value, or the numbers which change their values are called variables. Now what are literals? Literals are the letters which are used to represent variables. Now terms are the combination of these two, or it can be separate also, maybe a constant, maybe a variable, or the combination of both using multiplication or division sign are called terms. Now when you take a term, it may have a constant part, or it may have a variable part, or maybe both. Okay. Now what are like terms? Two types of terms are there, like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms? Like terms are the terms in which the variable parts will be the same. And in unlike term, the variable parts may differ, or there will be different variable parts. Now what are expressions? Expressions are combinations of terms. Two or more terms, or even one term. It can be terms combined using plus or minus sign form an expression. Okay. So what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables using different mathematical symbols, operational symbols. Okay. This all we have learned in chapter number 2. Now, when you think of expressions, there are different types of expressions which we have already learned in class 7. What is a monomial? A monomial is an expression which has only one term. A binomial is an expression with two terms. A trinomial is an expression with three terms. And in general, they all are called polynomials. Okay. Now, when you take an expression, let us see the parts of an expression. If you take an expression here, 4x square plus 3xy plus 4. This is a combination of variables and constants with the help of mathematical symbols. Now here, how many terms are there? Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Here 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So what type of expression is it? It is a trinomial. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Which are the terms? 4x square, 3xy and 4 are the terms of the expression. Now each term will have some factors. Which are the factors? 4x square. The factors are 4 and x square. X square can be again factorized as x into x. 3xy is 3 into x into y, and 4 into 1. So these are all factors of this expression. Now in the factors, you see, check the factors. There may be constants, there may be variables. So if you take any factor, for example, if I take x square, the remaining factor is called the coefficient of that particular factor. So if somebody asks you what is the coefficient of x square, it is 4. What is the coefficient of y? It is 3x. What is the coefficient of xy? It is 3. Okay. So usually when we say coefficient, we mean numerical coefficient. So these are some of the terms which we need to revise in this chapter. Now let us work out exercise 9.1. The first question is, identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. 6 expressions are given. You have to find the terms and coefficients. But I have written here the terms, factors and coefficients. Okay. It can be also asked in this way. So here the first question is 5xyz square minus 3xy. What are the terms here? The terms are 5x, y, z square. This is the first term and the next term is minus 3xy. Now what are the factors? 5x, y, z square. And here the factors are minus 3x and y. Now here you have to write the coefficient. Here coefficient means numerical coefficient. So what is the numerical coefficient here? Here it is 5 and here it is minus 3. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. What is the expression? 1 plus x square. So what are the terms? The terms are 1x and x square. So what are the factors? 1 has only one factor. X also has x into 1 and here 1 into x square or 1 into x square. Here what are the coefficients? Here it is already 1. It is a numerical term. So the term itself. And here 1. When there is no coefficient given, that is 1. Here also it is 1. Now here you see 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So the terms are 4x square y square, then minus 4x square y square z square and z square. These are the terms and the factors are 4x square y square, here minus 4x square y square z square and here only 1 z square. And the coefficients are, here it is 4, here it is minus 4 and here it is 1. Okay. This way we can find out for any expression the terms, factors and coefficients. Few more questions are there. The expression is 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. So the terms are 3, then minus PQ. Minus PQ means minus 1 PQ. Plus QR means 1 QR. Again minus 1 RP. What are the factors? 3. Here it is minus 1 into P into Q. 1 into Q into R. And here minus 1 into R into P. And what are the coefficients? Coefficients are 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1. When there is no variable, it is called a constant term. So usually that if you don't count, it will do. Okay, coefficients can be either constant term or variable term. Okay. So here when they say simply coefficient, it means only the constant term. Now here it is x by 2, y by 2 and minus 1xy. So what are the factors? 1 by 2 into x, 1 by 2 into y and minus 1 into x into y. So what are the coefficient here? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1. And in the next one, the terms are, or the expression is 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. So the terms are 0.3a minus 0.6 AB and 0.5 B. So how will you factorize? The factors are 0.3 into A minus 0.6 into A into B and 0.5 into B. Here I put multiplication sign because already there is a dot. You should not get confused. So what are the coefficients? 0.3 minus 0.6 and 0.5. These are the coefficients. So when you get any expression, you should be able to find their factors or the terms, their factors and the coefficient. That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss few more questions from the same exercise. Thank you.